Hello, flower lovers! Do you wish to have a beautiful flower garden at home without overspending? Today, I have creative flower gardening ideas for house that will totally change the way you conduct your home gardening. But first, picture this. You exit in the morning with a cup of coffee held aloft. Your front porch is adorned with breathtaking container flower arrangements, vivid hanging baskets, and aromatic herb flowers that have your neighbors marveling. Sounds too excellent to be true, right? Let us do it together. Let me ask you all in comments before we get going. What is your preferred bloom to grow inside your house? I would love to hear. Tip 1. Cultivate a container flower garden everywhere. Container gardening is among the simplest methods for beginners to create flower gardens. For your home garden, you need simply pots, excellent garden soil, and seeds of your chosen flowers. You don't require a huge backyard. To get a rich, tiered appearance, group containers. Geraniums, marigolds, and petunias, colorful plants, can be used to create a bright performance. For patios or balconies, pots give one a chance to unwind and be creative with vertical flower gardening. To get the most out of your room, try stacked tiers or hanging wall planters. Tip 2. Raise scented flowers for relaxation. Walking into the scent of lavender flowers, jasmine, and rose once you reach home is unlike anything else. These garden floral scents not only look great, but they also soothe your nerves following a day of dealing with trauma. Near the windows or entrance, plant them so you may sniff them as you pass by. For a vibrant, live garden, grow zinnias and sunflowers to draw bees and butterflies. Plan a color-themed flower garden advice. 3. Choose a color palette and stay within it if you need a coordinated appearance. Mix lavender with blue flowers and white hydrangeas for relaxation. For theater, mix yellow daisies, orange lilies, and red tulips. One of the most popular current garden design trends, color-themed beds provide excellent Instagram images as well. Just a brief question. Let me know which colors you would want to see in your garden by dropping a comment below. Tip 4. Low-maintenance plants for simple flower gardening. Choose simple plants to cultivate if you are unfamiliar with gardening or short for time. With little attention, impatiens, begonias, and cosmos flowers flourish and bloom for months. This is the secret to a thriving home flower garden free of daily attention. Tip 5. Edible flower planting. Why not also raise tasty flowers that are brilliant? Nasturtiums, marigolds, and violets can decorate salads and desserts. To surprise your visitors, it's among the most innovative gardening techniques. Planting in accordance with the seasons is tip 6. Arrange your flower bed for the year such that something is constantly in bloom. Start off the year with daffodils and crocuses as spring flowering bulbs. Daylilies and echinacea, summer bloomers, sustain the flow. Chrysanthemums and asters maintain the later on-year momentum. This technique never causes your yard to seem desolate. Tip 7. Maximize your vertical space. No space, no issues. Flower garden vertically with suspending baskets, trellises, or pallet planters off walls and fences. Morning glories and clematis blooms are vines that offer any small area the mood of a cozy garden, as well as a complete backdrop. Tip 8. Borders of DIY flowers. Border your flower beds with a stunning flower border. Divide your space with ornamental grass, alyssum, or little roses. A flower border adds elegance and warmth to any backyard garden. Tell me in the comments before you leave which of these flower gardening ideas you will attempt first. Subscribe and ring the bell if you appreciated these ideas so you won't miss more current gardening tips. We have lots of ideas up our sleeves, including inside floral arrangements, organic flower garden manuals, and patio flower gardens. Thanks ever so much for watching, and recall, every garden starts with one seed and a little bit of inspiration. Happy seeding!